Hello? In this video, we'll show you how to fix Google Meet camera issues. Let's get started. As a first step, in Google Chrome, go to the three-dot menu. Scroll all the way down until you find the Settings section and open it. Once you're inside, go to the Privacy and Security tab. Here in this section, look for Site Settings. Scroll down and open Camera. Here, make sure this option is selected. This allows websites to ask for permission to use your camera so you can grant access manually. Scroll down to this section, where you should verify that no website that needs access to your camera is blocked. Finally, make sure the correct camera is selected in this section. If your camera still isn't working, open your computer's settings. Once you're there, go to the search bar and type Camera Privacy Settings. Make sure camera access is turned on. Also, verify that the apps that need access to your camera have their permissions enabled.